Hello, welcome to our this English language teaching third episode. You are most welcome in this programs. Let's start our class. Up to here, how we present you, we recognize that also here. Okay, let's see how much we teach. We present this program. I cannot teach with you because I am not good in that language, English language, but also I want to be a good. I want to try it. How much it's go? Let's start. We are discussing means I discuss. Also, I can say singular, but singular plural. Teaching language skills. Teaching listening and signification of teaching listening. Then after some learning outcome of teaching listening. Then then teaching learning activities for teaching listening, and then pre-listening, while listening, post-listening. Similarly, we discuss and after then teaching speaking significations, and here also some activities. In this way, today we will discuss about speaking skills evaluation of speaking skill, how to evaluate the speaking skill to the students or the pupils. Let's start. Speaking can be evaluated by asking the study asking the students to read the letter, word, sentence, or text loud, asking students to respond the queries, queries variable, asking the students to describe the person, place, things, pictures, or object, observing conversations, observing variable, response to the questions and various items, true false MCQs with etc. Observing pronunciations of the word. Teaching reading. Reading is a recaptive skills. This is a recaptive skill. It is a skill of receiving or understanding the information or message from written or printed script. Listening also recaptive. Reading also recaptive. We have to recognize it. Developing reading skill is necessary for learning other materials from the written text. Therefore, teaching reading is also equally important in primary levels. Signification of teaching reading: for entertainment, to recognize words and understand their meaning, to gain the themes, gist of the text, to get the necessary information from the text, for comprehension, to broaden the knowledge reading the printed materials, to develop the recaptive learning ability in the learners. Some learning outcome of reading: recognize and read familiar word accompanied by values. Perform rhymes and charts with the appropriate rhymes and rhymes. Understand the meaning of or appropriate word. Read word, simple sentence and short paragraphs correctly. Retrieve specific information from sentence. Do different kinds of comprehension tasks, answering, matching, action, etc. Read and understand short text and short and simple story poem. Guess the meaning of unfamiliar word from context. Read and retrieve information from short factual text. Read and follow short and simple written direction. Instructional materials for teaching reading. word card, sentence card, short text written on cardboards, and pocket chart, picture object, projector, interactive boards, song, rhyme, short story, essay, biographics, etc. Learning activities for teaching reading. Pre-reading activities, vocabulary teaching, use of reals. The teachers make the use of real object which can be brought to the classroom during teaching. For example, apple, duster, chalk, stone, flower, etc. The teacher show the object and makes the meaning clear to the students. Use a model and pictures. The teachers introduce the new vocabulary. Use model in if real objects are difficult to be bounced into the classroom. Model are used to install to read real object in the techniques. For example, elephant, tiger, etc. The teachers draw up pictures or brings the pictures and display while teaching new vocabulary. If real objects are models are impossible to bring. Facial, facial, facial expresses gesture, memos, and actions. Facial expresses are used to show feelings and emotions like happiness, sadness, angry, trying, etc. Gestures or body movements can also be used for teaching meaning of a word. Some activities, adverbs, mm, and action verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and action verbs like fast, simple, tell, slow, rolling, dancing, jump, walk, run, etc. can be introduced. Thoughts, gesture, memes, and action. Synonyms or antonyms. The teachers can introduce the new word with the word having familiar, similar, or opposite meaning. It is also can effect and common techniques of teaching vocabulary. Word set, a set of related words that are known to students can be used to show the meaning of new word. For example, to show the meaning of furniture, the words table, chair, desk, etc. can be used. The teachers can say the desk, chair, table, etc. are furniture. Explanation, the teachers defines or explain the word to show the meaning. For example, carnivorous can be touch animal that does not eat fish but eats grass or plant only. Context, the teachers can create a context by using a word in a sentence to make the meaning clear. To teach the meaning of hate, one example is given by my father hates potatoes but he loves rice. He likes cactus, beans, and most other vegetables, but he refuses to eat potatoes. He hates them. Scale, to make the meaning of some word, the teachers can present the word in a scale form. For example, dimension, spaces, emotions, large, small, tiny, microscope. Teaching writing. Writing is an expressive skill. Writing in the fourth skill in language learning. Writing is a process of expressing thoughts into a graphics form. It is a reflection or oral forms of language with the graphic symbol in the paper. Use of symbols, alphabet, and punctuals marks etc. comes under writing. The teaching writing is importance in primary level. Signification of teaching writing for communication with the use of graphic symbols of language to express the views, to practical writing for creative writing to develop expressive ability in the learners to keep the information for a long time, for the development of language with the development of writing skills. Some of the learning outcome of writing: hold pencil pen correctly and draw a line, curve, circle, letters, word, etc. Copy letters, word, and sentence. Write didactic letters, word, sentence, or text. Use correct punctuation marks in writing. Write word with the correct spelling. Use word in meaningful sentence. Demonstrate good handwriting skill. Describe pictures, object, place, person, etc. Write short and simple creative story, completion and ordering. Write simple poem and stories. Materials for teaching writing: video, text, books, word and sentence card, story, poems, and so on. Pictures, flashcard, charts, display materials like pocket chart and flattened boards, projector, interactive boards based on the ability. Listeners, for today we will be come in fourth episode. Thank you for watching this episode. If I make any mistakes, my pronunciation is became a mistakes, then also you not make big issue for it, and sorry for that. Also, I will try to make most effective. But this much for today. Bye bye. Take care.